Multiple choice questions on power plant engineering, part 13. Question number 121. The process of maintaining the speed of a steam turbine constant for various load conditions is known as option A reheating, option B bleeding, option C governing, option D cooling. The correct answer is governing. Explanation. The process of maintaining the speed of a turbine for various load conditions is known as governing. The throttle governing of a steam turbine is a method of controlling the turbine output by varying the quantity of steam entering into the turbine. This method is also known as servo motor method. Question number 122. Which of the following are fire tube boilers? Option A Cochrane, option B Lancashire, option C locomotive, option D all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Explanation. Fire tube boilers are Cochrane boiler, Lancashire boiler, locomotive boilers. These all are fire tube boilers. Fire tube boiler are internally fire tube boilers. So the correct answer is all of these. Question number 123. Size of boiler tubes is specified by option A mean diameter and thickness, option B outside diameter and thickness, option C inside diameter and thickness, option D outside diameter and inside diameter. The correct answer is outside diameter and thickness. Let us see the explanation. Size of boiler tubes is specified by outside diameter and thickness. Question number 124. The function of a condenser in thermal power plant is option A to act as reservoir to receive steam for turbine, option B to condense steam into condensate to be reused again, option C to create vacuum, option D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Explanation. The function of a condenser in thermal power plant is to act as reservoir to receive steam for turbine, to condense steam into condensate to be reused again, and to create vacuum. Question number 125. 1 kg steam sample contains 0.4 kg water vapor. Its dryness fraction is option A 0.4, option B 0.6, option C 0.4 by 0.6, option D 0.4 into 0.6. The correct answer is 0.4. Let us see the explanation. We know that dryness fraction equal to mass of vapor by total mass. Here mass of vapor is 0.4 and total mass is 1 kg. So 0.4 by 1 that equal to 0.4. That is dryness fraction for the given sample. Question number 126. Which is not a boiler accessory? Option A economizer, option B fusible plug, option C superheater, option D air free heater. The correct answer is fusible plug. Let us see the explanation. Boiler auxiliaries are feed pumps, injector, economizer, air preheater, superheater, steam separator, and steam trap. So the correct answer is fusible plug. It is not a boiler accessory. Question number 127. The ratio of average load to the maximum load is known as option A utilization factor, option B diversity factor, option C plant capacity factor, option D load factor. The correct answer is load factor. Let us see the explanation. Load factor, it is the ratio of average load to the maximum load is known as load factor. Here utilization factor means it is defined as the ratio of the time that a equipment is in use to the total time that it could be in use. Diversity factor means it is defined as the ratio of sum of individual maximum demand to maximum demand on power station. Diversity factor, it is the ratio of installed load to running load. So the correct answer is load factor. It is the ratio of average load to the maximum load in the power plant. Question number 128. Demand factor is defined as option A average load by maximum demand, option B maximum demand by connected load, option C connected load by maximum demand, option D maximum demand into connected load. The correct answer is maximum demand by connected load. Explanation. Demand factor is defined as the ratio of maximum demand to connected load. Question number 129. The draught which a chimney produced is called option A induced draught, option B natural draught, option C forced draught, option D balanced draught. The correct answer is natural draught. Explanation. Natural draught or chimney draught is the pressure difference which causes a flow of air or gases from one point to another point in the boiler system. Draught is required in a boiler system mainly due to two reasons. One is to supply sufficient air for completing the combustion. Second one is to remove flue gases from the system after combustion and the heat exchange. Question number 130. Induced draught fans of a large steam power plant has option A forward curved blade, option B backward curved blade, option C radial blade, option D straight blade. The correct answer is forward curved blade. Explanation. Induced draught fans of a large steam power plant has forward curved blade. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.